Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for dot price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and looking at the all-time history. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finishing wave A or finishing a wave 1. In this case scenario, we're looking at an A B, and a C, probably a longer correction to finish a wave B or a wave 2. In another case scenario, of course, if you are bullish here still and you would like to see higher prices, you have then bottomed for a wave B or wave 2 exactly in this area. I'm going to explain what's going on here. This is a price action where we are looking for a price decision between bullish and bearish scenario. As you can see with the latest drop here for DOT, we got of course a very move toward the downside and then of course a wick. However, it did not really finish this scenario. It might be still need one more leg to take the low and probably even taking this low exactly here. And as you can see, the low here are very close to each other, which give us a little bit hard scenario to be impulsive, because when you want to be impulsive, you want the wave to a little bit higher and then moving for, of course, higher prices as well. So in this case scenario, I would say this wave ABC in magenta is still unfolding, where we have an A with an impulse, and then ABC probably as a correction, and then of course having a massive wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish in ending diagonal, meaning A, B, and a C. So for this scenario, in case we still get one more low and we take the low, meaning if we take exactly this low here, which is your, here we go, the price is exactly at 3.55. If we take the 3.55, meaning of course you are still in the magenta scenario and you're looking at a contracting diagonal. And in this contracting diagonal, of course, you would like to take the low and then moving toward the upside with a zigzag, meaning impulse, correction, impulse, and then impulse, correction, impulse toward the downside to finish again a wave 5, wave C, and wave C, of course, in the magenta, meaning A, B, and a C, of course. In the magenta scenario here, okay, we can remove this, it's too much, by the way. So we can finish this magenta scenario with a wave C, and that means we'll shift directly your wave 2 and wave B directly to here. And meaning, of course, starting to look for higher prices from this wave 5 once it is finished. Now your targets for a wave 3 to get much more higher precision here for targeting your wave 3. In case we are in this wave 3, here we go, as a contracting diagonal, here we go. You already reached the fib level. You have already reached the fib levels. And by the way, reaching the 1-to-1 fib level 3.37, this, of course, meaning that, you're looking to something much bigger. From this price, we can say that something else is unfolding and it might be impulsive, guys. So be careful from it. It might be a continuation of a big impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course. And that means, of course, a very low prices for Polkadot. Yeah, but it's not really nice to see, especially that we got already an impulse here, which I think it is, less possibility. I believe that, of course, we are very bullish. However, when it is bullish, it depends, of course, on the current price action. Would it take a decision to move even for lower and, of course, invalidate this impulse that we have started in the beginning, or it's gonna, start to rebound and moving for higher? If you are still looking for higher, you just want to move, of course, directly after, and without taking the low, guys. You want to see the price moving higher directly to the 1.618 at $36 impulsively, because you got already a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So you want to see higher prices and reaching your wave C or your wave 3 in those two scenarios. So basically we are looking for price decision, I would say. If we take a closer look again, we see, of course, here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finishing a wave A, or a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 1 2 3 4 it has interfered, meaning this is a double 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. Yeah, yes guys, so basically we want to move for lower, but look how much precise it is. We're gonna move for lower, but a higher probability, of course. But if we touch the 3.55, as we said, and we rebound, that would be a good indication. Yeah. If we rebound and then we get into wave 4 probably, and then wave 5 in a contracting diagonal. In case we dive a little bit deeper, which is of course your 1-to-1 Fibonacci, that is a very bad sign, guys. For the bulls, of course, it might be good for the sellers. So 1-to-1 fib level 3.37. If we reach this, invalidation of contracting diagonal, meaning this wave 3 is longer than your wave 1, because you want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 3 should not reach the 1-to-1 fib level, should not be longer than this one. And you, for the bulls, it is preferably that you bounce, of course, before it. Just taking the low, very simple, in few dollars. This is what I mean. And 4 and a 5, even the wave 5 can even be to the middle and then moving to it's still eligible ending diagonal, even if a short wave 5 ends somewhere here. It's not necessarily even to get lower. But anyway, the only test for this price action right now is at the 1-to-1 fib level. After you bounce here, then of course you are okay. Even if you pass the 3.37, you're still bullish toward the upside. If you are bullish from now, you have to be, of course, impulsive here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C finished. You would like to see the 4 and a 5 finishing even, yeah, but it's so hard. Yeah, it's so hard to not take the low. Unless we are in W, X, and Y. This is your last chance for the bullish, of course, from here to move for higher prices. Okay, W, X, and Y. But very, very low possibility, because this wave has to be finished somehow with one more leg. And this one more leg has to take the low, meaning invalidation of this impulse, meaning we have to take the low here and say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 without getting the 3.37 to see a wave 4. Taking the 3.37, guys, it's gonna go back, of course, but then it's gonna move even for lower. This is the idea. Yeah, so Polkadot, to be watched. Be careful with it. We are, how to say, between a very, very tiny difference between bullish and bearish. So this is inside. We have to watch these price action that I just mentioned. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.